So in this video, we'll add a global scope to our application. So basically what it will do, so it whenever user logged in, so we have multiple businesses and there are multiple users. So whenever user logged in, they select that particular business. So data for that particular business should be shown, not any other data means related to other businesses. So that's why we'll add that global scope. So basically in eloquent ORM we have that thing in Laravel. So I will just go here in Laravel site. I will check this global scope. So to add global scope, we can use this command php artisan make scope global scope. So I will add it here, and our scope will be basically, we can call it as a business scope. Okay, so it has created app model scope, business scope. Okay, so app models, scopes, and business scope. It this is, and then basically we can write the functions and all these things. So I will just copy this one. We'll have to change this. So what we will do, so basically here they are doing means every request, means every select request, they will add this where created at. So we will add where a business ID. So we'll add this particular field. This field should be there, and this should be equal to that particular session ID we have saved in last video. So for that I will just use the session business ID. So I will copy this one and I will paste it here. So the business ID will come from session, and basically all the data related to that business ID will come. So basically as shown in here, uh, that particular query, basically it will be, or select from that whatever the table name it will be, they will add this extra thing. So for us, for our system, we will add business ID equal to that thing. Okay, so likewise, so for example we have this leads and all these things, also we have this roles and all, and for role we have business ID too. So we can add that particular thing here. So before that I will just see if how it looks. So for a user I will just log into one user. So I will select this user, and then basically I will log in, and then we will select a particular business. So I have selected this business, and I have basically added one thing here to show the roles. So auth user roles and to JSON. So whatever the roles he has, it will be shown. So right now this business ID is 3, but we are getting this business ID 2 roles here. So it should not happen. Okay, for that thing we will add that global scope. Basically we'll have to use this one. Okay, then I will add this into our model. So model will be role model, and I will put it here, and then basically we have this things. Okay, one more thing is pending. So this scope we have to add. So scope will be our business scope. Okay, and we will add this business scope here, scope tag business class. So whenever we are selecting something from for this role, this business ID will be checked. So now I will check this. If that business ID 2 is not coming, so for I will select this 2, then business ID 2, then this will come. For other business it will not come. So I will add for third and fourth, there is no roles added. Okay, so I will add one role for third and fourth business. So businesses, so this third and fourth business, so I will add business role. So business users, okay, roles, in roles I will go. So for I will create a new role too, and this business ID will be 3. Okay, and close. So for business ID 3 I have created one role test. Okay, and then basically this roles should be given to that user. So to role, so in role user I will give this role id 2, and then basically 9, same user, I will apply it and we'll check it if it's coming or not for third business. So for third business also, we are seeing this business id 3 and we are getting that particular role. For fourth, there is no role, so we are not getting the data. So similarly, this can be applied to any model. So right now we have applied this for role model. So same thing, whenever we create a model, leads, then contacts, or whatever we might create, we will add these things, 3 lines. So the data related to that business ID, whatever he logged in, whatever he selected, that data will be shown only, nothing else will be shown. And while inserting, this scope will not work. While inserting, we'll have to add that particular business ID. So we will make sure for every table we'll add that business underscore ID, and it should not be nullable. Likewise, and this will work out for everything, pins every data and all these things.